What's the proper way to heal a sprained ankle?
So what I find that works the best is elevation, compression. Do ice it right away for sure.
Yeah.
But you don't want to over ice it. You do want that swelling because that brings in things to help heal it. If it gets too puffy, sometimes you might have to drain a little fluid out of there. But most people sprained ankles, we can just ice it the first couple days, get some motion in there. We have some devices, lasers, infrared lights, M-field, some things to get that circulation going. And so, like I said, if we can get a little micro movements in there by adjusting it a little bit, that helps open that up to get the old fluid out and new fluid in to help you heal faster.